So what's up guys, so boy to family and to HT here, and today in this video I'm going to be doing iOS 14 tips and tricks. So I'm going to be showing you some cool iOS 14 tips and tricks that you can do on your brand new iPhone device or on your iPad device as well. So guys, you need a device that supports iOS 14, which are iPhone 6s and above. So you need that device to like do the iOS 14 tips and tricks. But some tips and tricks that I'm going to be doing using my iPhone 11 are not going to be supported on the iPhone 6s. So you do need to upgrade your iPhone. For iOS 15 not going to be supported on iPhone 6s, and iOS 16 might not support iPhone 7. So you do need to get like a iPhone 11 or XR. So please do upgrade. And instead of me wasting my time, let's get the show started. Guys, the first tips and tricks that I'm going to be showing you is how to play videos in picture mode. So to do this, go to settings and then scroll all the way down to general, and then you see a section called picture If you tap on that, and then make sure you enable picture mode. So it'll be like this, but you just have to tap on this to enable it, and then you exit out of settings. Go to Amazon Prime or Netflix, but I'm just going to do Amazon Prime for now. Make sure I mute this because I don't want to get a copyright claim. And play a video, a movie basically, choose one. I'm just going to choose Master for now since I'm a Talabadi fan. And then play the video and then wait for it to load. Make sure that you zoom in so they can get the picture mode. And then after that, exit out of Amazon Prime. After exiting it, this is how your picture mode will look like. And if you want to make it bigger, just double tap to make it bigger. And if you want to make it smaller, just double tap and then it will just go smaller. You can also move around. So you doesn't need to be at the top. It can be at the bottom, make it bigger and all that. So yeah, that's how you do picture mode, guys. You guys know that the Apple logo is a button? If you didn't, check this out. So guys, go to settings, then scroll all the way down to accessibility, scroll all the way down to touch, and then scroll all the way down to back tab. You can either set your the button to be double tap or triple tap, but I'm just going to do it as a double tap for now. And then I'm just going to set it as a screenshot, and then you can set as anything you want. It just doesn't need to be screenshot. And then go back, and then after double tapping onto the Apple logo, you should screenshot your screen. If you didn't, do it again and you just screenshot your screen. And that's how you do it, guys. Guys, the next tips and tricks I'm going to be showing you is how to add widget on your phone, like this or like this or like this. And I'm going to be showing you how to do it. It's basically tap and hold on the home screen or the app and hit that plus button right there, and then scroll and see what widget that you want to add. I'm just going to do Snapchat for now, and then add the widget and then hit done, and then you see that you have added a widget on your home screen. But if you want to add like a stacked widget, tap and hold onto the home screen or the app, hit that plus icon right there, and then scroll all the way down and choose another widget. I'm just going to choose calendar for example, and then you can either set the widget as small, medium or large, but I'm just going to do small for now. And then move the widget to another widget onto it, and then hit done. After hitting done, you should basically see it's in a stacked widget mode, guys. And if you want to remove this, and then edit the stack and then delete the one that you don't want, and then exit out of it, and you see that it's not in stacked widget mode, guys, anymore. And that's how you do it. So guys, the next tips and tricks I'm going to be showing you is how to hide pages on your home screen. To do this, tap on the app or any app and then tap and hold on to it, and then press on the dots that you see at the bottom, and then you see that you went to the edit pages mode, and then just tap on the tick button on the pages that you don't want it to be on the home screen, and then click done. After clicking done, exit out of the jiggle mode, and then you should see that the page that you've hidden are gone. So, and then to bring it back, just tap and hold on to the app and wait for it to go to jiggle mode, and then tap on the dots again, the dots that you see at the bottom, and then tap onto the circle that you see and just tap onto it, and then click done, and then click done again, and you see that the pages are back onto your home screen. And that's how you do it, guys, and it's very simple. You might see that there's a section called hidden folder in the Photos app. Now you can hide that so that it doesn't show as hidden in the Photos app. To do this, go to settings and then scroll all the way down to photos, and then scroll all the way down to where it says hidden album. You want to uncheck it, and then scroll and then go back to photos, and then you should see that the hidden folder is disappeared. And to re-enable the folder back again, go to settings, then photos, then hidden albums, and then go back to photos, and you should see that the hidden folder is back again on your phone. And on to the next tips and tricks. So guys, another cool feature is where you can basically share the app that you want to another person. It's basically tap and hold onto the app that you want to share, and then click on share app. After that, wait for a couple of seconds, and then basically you can either airdrop it or message it or mail, WhatsApp, Instagram, anywhere that you want to send the app, the link of the app or the app to the other person. But it's gonna basically give you the link so you can download it on your phone as well. And then after that, I'm just do WhatsApp for now, and then say I'm gonna send it to my cousin for now, and then basically click send, and then basically you have sent it to the person that you want to share the app. And that's how you do it, and it's very simple. On to the other tips and tricks or cool feature. Guys, now you can set your default browser as Google Chrome, and to do this, go to settings, scroll all the way down to Chrome, and then Chrome, and then click on default browser. As you can see, that default browser is Safari, and to change it to Chrome, and after that just exit out of settings. When someone gives you a link and if you click on it, it will take you to Chrome instead of Safari now, which is a cool feature, because usually it would just be Safari instead on iOS 13 and below. But now when iOS 14 came, so many cool features has came, but I'm trying to think of the cool feature that I know, and I'm doing the video for you guys just in case you might have iOS 14 and you want to know the cool features that there are on iOS 14. Watch this video. And yeah, this is not a tips and tricks or something. This is just like a life hack where you can connect your PS4 controller or your PS5 controller to your iPhone or your iPad device, wherever one you have. You can play games using the controller, but the only games that I can play with that is Call of Duty, the mobile game, on my iPhone, and that's what I've been playing with my cousin and with my cousin's friend. And to do this, just simply press the share button, if it's share button, and the PlayStation button right here at the same time, and then you should bleep like this, and should flash basically, and then you go into settings, and then go into Bluetooth, and then you should see it pop up saying DualShock 4 wireless controller. If you click on it, and then you should say that it's connected, and it should pop up into this reddish orangish color or into different color, and then you go into the Call of Duty, because that's the only game that I can play with the controller on my phone. But if you have any games that can play with the controller, comment down below, because I want to play. I'm gonna skip this part. Let me just play a game and show you guys. It's gonna take a very long time, but I'm gonna skip it. And here we go. I'm on the blue side, so it's still connected, as you can see, guys. And remove that notification. There's not going to be sound because I don't want to get copyright claim. Like, you know, obviously you might not get copyright claim for a game, you might, I don't know, but if I do, then that'll be my first one. And then as you can see, that I can move around, and let me just try and shoot. I'm seeing on the camera, so not on the phone, so I just got kill. And I think I got a kill, I don't know. And see, so simple, guys, and that's how you do it. You can also do this on iOS 13 as well, not just iOS 14. So yeah, so that's very simple, and you don't just need to play with your bare hands. You can just play with the controller, very simple. But if you're eating, make sure to wipe your hand, then play with the controller, because otherwise it's going to be slippery. And let's just jump straight into the other tips and tricks or other iOS life hack. And yeah, so guys, next tips and tricks for iOS 14 is where you can basically draw a shape, and then you can basically say you draw a shape and it didn't come out as quite good. You can basically tap and hold on to it, and then it will come out as a perfect shape. To do this, go into notes or screenshot your screen, and then basically go into this marker looking thing right here, and then pick out a color. I'm just going to do this for now, a white one, just for example. Say if I draw a circle, you basically tap and hold on to it, but it's not a circle, but it's an oval shape. But say you drew a star, see, it came as a perfect star. And say you want to do like a heart, see, as you can see that it drew a perfect heart, but it's just that the heart will go into the into a sideways. But as you see that I missed out some of the lines for the heart, but I think that's a matter anyway. So that's how you do it, and it's very simple. So try it yourself. If it worked, comment down below. And I don't know how you do it on Android, but I think the same process. But you can also do it on a screenshot as well, not just on notes. But it's a good thing that Apple has added this feature. I don't know if it's a feature or something. And yeah, more videos like this will be happening. If I missed any of this life hack, tips and tricks basically, comment down below. I'll do it in my next video. And yeah, so guys, this next tips and tricks is basically Siri on iPhone and iPad. So usually in iOS 13 and Siri will be in full screen, but now in iOS 14 they changed it. This is how it will be. It will basically be like this, but this is what was in iOS 14, but in iOS 13 this is how it was. To have this kind of feature, bring back the iOS 13 Siri. To do this, just go to settings, accessibility, Siri, then turn off show apps behind Siri. It will be toggled on, then just turn it off, and then problem solved. And then it will be like this in iOS 13. So you brought that back in iOS 14, and now you're happy, enjoy your life. And yeah, so that's it, guys. If I missed any life hack or any tips and tricks for iOS 14, comment down below. I'll do it in the next video as a part 2 video. And subscribe to my second channel, DonaldTube HD, and to my third channel, DonaldTube Gaming. And subscribe to my friend Kajim Vlogs, and to my cousin S2 is the name, link down below in the description. Check it out and get them to 1k views and 1k subscribers, and do the same for me, guys. Thanks to you guys, I hit 4.9k for the short video that I did, how to like play music in the background while recording a video. Thanks to you guys, that you went to 4.9k. I'm close to getting 5k, but I'm not sure when I'm gonna get 5k. But if I hit 5k, I'll be happy. And I've been doing more short videos because of that video, and it hasn't been like getting to 5k, but or more than 1k, but I hope it does. And yeah, so that's it guys, and catch you guys in the next video, and I'm out.